Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about the robot framework, and this is their official page, robotframework.org. So it says, robot framework is a generic open source automation framework. It can be used for test automation. So it can be used to automate all the processes that test, for example, your web application. And then robot framework has an easy syntax utilizing human readable keywords, meaning that the keywords are easy to understand. You don't need much of any technicality to understand what the keywords mean. Its capabilities can be extended by libraries implemented with Python, which means if you need a function or a keyword that does not come with the robot framework itself or the Selenium library, you can use Python to create your own function or the keyword that will be imported into the robot files to be used by your test cases. Yeah, so not only Python, but Java and other programming languages. During the course, I would implement a couple of custom functions with Python so you know how it is used. And then I would like to show you two important places where you can locate the keywords. So these are them. So we have the robot framework itself, which has built-in keywords, meaning you do not have to install another library. They are shipped together with robot framework. They are readily available from the box. So all these ones, continue, for, loop, convert to integer, convert to number, and a whole lot of keywords already come with the robot framework. They are inbuilt, so you don't have to import any library. You can just start using them. So if you have any doubts about any keyword, you just type the keyword. If you know the name or if you remember the name, you just type the keyword over here. And then we have the Selenium library. These keywords come only with Selenium, the Selenium library, meaning we have to install the Selenium library separately and import the library into our robot framework files, meaning all these keywords cannot be found in the robot framework itself. You have to install the Selenium. So after installing, you import it into your robot files and you are good to go. You have access to these keywords. They also have a lot of keywords, but hopefully we can utilize the most important ones, the most used ones, because I don't think it's possible to use all the keywords. There are some you are not going to use. Yes. So the challenge usually is knowing which keyword to use at what point. But do not worry. That is why I come in. By the time you finish watching this robot framework tutorial, you will be able to write test cases and use keywords without always using the docs. And before test automation can be done with robot framework, the environment has to be set up first. And we are going to do that in the next video. See you there.